improve the efficiency by allowing the team to focus their efforts more on qualified prospects rather than just going about wasting their time on manual dialing.
पहले ऑनबोर्डिंग करने के लिए जो 20-25 मिनट लगते थे, अब कॉन्विन के थ्रू ऑनबोर्डिंग करने से 8 या 12 मिनट में ऑनबोर्डिंग हो जाती है, प्लस उसका जो डेटा है उस डेटा को हम डाउनलोड करके एनालाइज भी कर सकते हैं।
I'm Rishikesh. I'm co-founder and chief business officer at EZO. I take care of business as a whole and sales team. Here we have two products for our customers. One is EZO billing machine, second is Dhanda AI marketing. One solves a billing problem, second solves a marketing problem.
My name is Divya Shetty. It's been more than 6+ years that I've been associated with EZO Technologies. I am the marketing manager here.
My name is Arvind Tiwari. I am a senior product manager here.
What was happening at EZO that made an omni-channel AI agent feel like the right move?
AI was always the front runner. We wanted to have AI at our core, like core operations of the businesses. And we saw there is a productivity gap in agents. How can we improve the productivity with AI? That was the core problem statement which we wanted to solve.
One of the biggest challenge that I've been facing has been timely engagement with my prospects. Here is where Convin has made a very important impact for us. So today 20-23% of our incoming leads are being qualified via AI. So they are purely AI driven conversations. Convin is helping us with it.
What's it like having an AI agent handle outreach across multiple channels for you now?
Most of our leads are coming from app install as a channel. We have few qualification parameters wherein we qualify those leads across different buckets. There are few set of leads which we never dial or we never touch. Now that leads go to Convin, and from Convin those gets qualified and proactively those get connected with our agents, and we see a fair amount of conversion from those leads. So that is additional set of business which has been driven from Convin.
This has actually helped improve the efficiency by allowing the team to focus their efforts more on qualified prospects rather than just going about wasting their time on manual dialing. So apart from lead qualifications, we have also deployed Convin's agentic AI for assisting us with the customer onboarding journeys.
कॉन्विन को इम्प्लीमेंट करने के बाद कॉन्विन ने हमारा ये प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व किया। अब हम 1000-2000 कस्टमर को बात कर सकते हैं और 1000-2000 कस्टमर से जो रियल इंसाइट मिलता है उसको हम लोग एक्सेल शीट में डाउनलोड करके नॉइज निकाल के जो रियल गोल्ड है हमारे रिलेटेड डेटा उसके ऊपर काम करके हम प्रोडक्ट इंप्रूव कर सकते हैं।
What made you decide to go with Convin?
एक महीना हमने पायलट रन किया. We saw some initial success and then we thought of moving ahead with Convin because there was a critical success which we found.
What impact has Convin's omni-channel sales AI agent had on your conversion and cost numbers?
So there are two parts to it. We have been using this tool for sales as well as onboarding the customers. In sales, we have seen same day, usually we were able to connect around 50% of the customers. Now that has improved to around 65-70% customers. Second part to it, in onboarding, support agents is difficult, training them and everything. With AI, we have to train just a bot and then onboarding can be taken care by bots itself, and it is pretty much real time.
Overall experience has been very positive so far, and I can say it has helped us in maintaining conversations with customers, providing timely conversations irrespective of the volume. So this is very important.
कॉन्विन AI बॉट को हमने इम्प्लीमेंट किया अपने ऑनबोर्डिंग प्रोसेस के लिए भी, जिसमें सेल्स के बाद हम कॉल करते हैं। तो जब सेल्स का नंबर छोटा था तो हमारे ह्यूमन एजेंट कॉल करते थे, बट जैसे जैसे हमारा पर डे सेल्स का नंबर बढ़ने लगा तो उसके बाद हमारा जो ह्यूमन एजेंट की कॉल करने की इफिशियंसी थी वो भी कम होने लगी। तो जब कॉन्विन AI को हमने लेके आए तो अगर हमारा पर डे 1000, 2000, 3000, 5000 भी सेल्स होता है तो हमको ये कॉन्फिडेंस है कि कॉन्विन AI उसका ऑनबोर्डिंग संभाल लेगा। पहले ऑनबोर्डिंग करने के लिए जो 20-25 मिनट लगते थे, अब कॉन्विन के थ्रू ऑनबोर्डिंग करने से 8 या 12 मिनट में ऑनबोर्डिंग हो जाती है, प्लस उसका जो डेटा है उस डेटा को हम डाउनलोड करके एनालाइज भी कर सकते हैं।
Would you recommend Convin to others? If yes, what would you tell them?
Definitely, we can recommend Convin. If anybody in our circle or in our network asks for a typical solution, we can definitely recommend it. Second part to it is like the team is good. I think Shivam, Kushal are helpful. They proactively solve the problem, and I think there is a value addition.
तो कॉन्विन AI का आफ्टर सेल सपोर्ट जो था वो भी काफ़ी अच्छा था। किक स्टार्ट के बाद जैसे हमने बॉट बनाना शुरू किया तो अमित, शुभम बहुत अच्छे से हमको सपोर्ट करते थे, कॉल को रिस्पॉन्ड भी करते हैं, और बॉट बनाना उन्होंने स्क्रैच से हमको सिखा दिया। और फिर हम लोग इतने इंडिपेंडेंट हो गए कि अब हमारे एम्प्लॉइज़ खुद ही बॉट बना लेते हैं, बाद में कॉन्विन हेल्प करता है उसको फाइन ट्यून करने के लिए।
In future, we would want to explore more use cases with Convin. It has been a pleasure connecting with Shubham and Biswa from Convin's team. They have been proactive and very helpful and patient throughout the implementation process, since we are using 2 dialers simultaneously. So yeah, overall the experience has been great.